Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Students, what is day today? Today is Thursday and date 15th and month April and year 2021. Which period is this? English period. Students, today our topic match the capital letter with small letter. Students, today we will match the capital letter with small letter with the help of teacher. Students, come on and tell me where is capital E? Tell me where is capital E? This is capital E? No, this is capital E. Yes. And where is small e? This is small e. This is capital E. This is small e. Okay, students, tell me where is capital L? Where is capital L? This is capital L. This is capital L. No. Where is capital L? Yes, this is capital L. Now find out small l. This is small l. No. This is small l. This is capital L. This is small l. Okay, students, where is small p? Where is small p? Yes, this is small p and this is capital P. Students, find out where is capital H. Yes, where is capital H? Yes, here is capital H and this is small h. This is capital H. This is small h. Wow! This is activity time. Students, here I have some wooden blocks. Students, here I have some capital letters and some small letters. Students, we will read and recognize some capital and small letters. Students, tell me which letter is this? This is capital H and this is small h. Okay, this is capital Y. This is small y. Okay, tell me which letter is this? This is small q and this is capital Q. Okay, students, find out capital F. Where is capital F? Yes, this is capital F and this is small f. This is capital W. Which letter is this? This is capital W and this is small w. Yes. Students, now we will match the capital letter with small letter. Here I have some blocks and some cutouts, capital and small letters. Students, this is capital D and this is small d. Now we will match capital D with small d. Like this. Capital D with small d. We will match capital D with small d. Now we will match capital F with small f. Like this. Capital F with small f. Now we will match capital H with small h. Match the capital H with small h. Like this. In this way, you will complete your activity. Hope you have enjoyed this activity a lot. Let's start the copy work. What is day today? Today is Thursday and date 15th and month April and year 2021. Today our topic Match the capital letter with small letter. Students, today we will match the capital letter with small letter. Yes. First of all, we will match the capital letter A with small letter A. Like this. Capital A with small a. Now, we will match the capital D with small d. Match the capital H with small h. Match the capital K with small k. Now we will match capital M with small m. Like this. Now we will match the capital Y with small y. Like this. Now we will match the capital N with small n. In this way, you will complete your work neat and clean. Thank you.